Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to make 8 bookmarks using popsicle sticks. So easy, so attractive, and you can make this for gifts as well. Idea number 1. First I am going to mark the hat area using a pencil. I am taking googly eyes. You can take googly eyes of any size or you can make it even with paint. And I have also colored a mustache on a paper and cut it out. And taking 2 buttons. Now I'm taking the orange sketch pen and trying to color the hat. You can also use paint. Then using Fevicryl I'm attaching the googly eyes and also the mustache. Then for the t-shirt I'm going to just mark the t-shirt and color it with the sketch pen. You can also use paint. You can make these cute bookmarks and it gives an interest to read books, even for your children to make them, and it can also be given as gift as it's a personalized touch. So now I am going to take blue colored sketch pen and trying to make the shirt, and I'm attaching real buttons. You can also attach some stones or you can also color them with paint. So cute, right? Idea number 2. Take any designer tape. This is the most easiest one. Just measure the size of the stick, cut it out and then stick them. Mine had the gum behind, so I just directly sticked it. You can also use Fevicol or Fevibond. You can also stick satin ribbons as well and other ribbons as well. Just cut out the shape and you're done. You can make many colorful such sticks. Third idea is I'm going to just draw random patterns using black sketch pen. You can use marker pens as well. You can make colorful ones as well. So I'm just drawing some random patterns throughout the stick. If you like our channel content, please like, share and subscribe. If you want more videos and any specific video, please comment down so that I will try them. So I'm just drawing random patterns. When you're bored, you can make many such things and keep it handy. When you want to read, you can use the one of your choice. This gives a personalized touch. It acts as a good written gift as well, as it's handmade. So like this I fill the entire stick with random patterns. So this was it. So for our next idea number 4, I'm going to draw a pencil shape on this, for which I'm taking a pencil and trying to mark the contents. This is also quite easy, and in the middle I am going to write the name. So I'm going to color them with paint. So the middle part I am coloring it with green. Here I colored it with pink. Now I am taking black and outlining it. You can also outline it with sketch pen. Easy, yet it looks so cute. Just looks like pencil, isn't it? Idea number 5. I am going to draw cat face here, and then for the body I am going to add stripes, different colored stripes. I'm just randomly drawing a cat face. You can make even human being's face or dog's face as well. So I'm going to add colored stripes for the body just to make it look colorful. You can use single color as well, and you can also use sketch pen to do this. So just adding random stripes and then taking a black paint and outlining them. So this is how it's done. Now I'm taking black and outlining them. That's it, your cute little cat is ready. For the pen one, as I said, you can add names. So I had left it to dry, and once it is dried, I'm adding a name. You can also add small quotes here. For the next one, I am going to make a girl. So I'm making her shoes and trying to make her eyes, nose, and her shirt with socks, just marking it with pencil. Now I'm going to take wool and make her hairs. You can make how long you want to and how thick you want to, and then add Fevicryl and stick them. I'm taking a black paint and outlining it, and her shoes I'll color it with red. I'm also adding her dress using paper. So I've taken a thin paper strip and trying to fold this like this, fan method, and then stapling it. Now I'm going to stick this as her dress. It looks cute, right? Idea number 7, I'm going to color with 3 colors and adding mirrors. This is also easy peasy but looks really brilliant. So I'm just adding mirrors using Fevicryl. Voila, you're done. You can add any shaped mirrors. You can color it with single color as well. Idea number 8. I had this leftover clay and I had made this shape and left it. I am using that only. Using white acrylic paint, I am writing "Be happy." You can write any quotes you want to, or you can even draw some figures on top. This has a hole, so I have a scope to add tassel. I had made this for an earring, but then you can use it as a bookmark holder as well. This will give a very personalized touch. From the leftover clay you can do such things. So if the clay is left over from your previous projects, you can also use a cardboard piece instead of this clay work and perform the same task. Now I'm going to add it to the stick using Fevicryl. Looks cute, right? Very different and unique. These were my 8 creative ideas. Hope you all like this. If you like our channel content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.